Do you have a lot of old images in your gallery that you probably don't need anymore? Your Galaxy S26 Ultra can help you find them so you can review and remove the ones you no longer need. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Device Care, tap Storage. Under the Suggestion section, you might see Review Old Images. If needed, tap View More to display more suggestions. Tap Review All Images. Here you will see images that have not been edited in the past 30 days. You can review them and select the images you no longer need. To select specific images, simply tap the images you want to remove. Or if you want to select all of the old images, tap Select Item at the top. Once you have made your selection, tap Delete at the bottom. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete again to confirm. The selected images will now be permanently deleted from the gallery app. So make sure you review the images carefully before deleting them. And that's how to clean up old images in Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.